Hi everyone, just wanted to show you an update to the sub homepage. So you may recognize this page from the demo from the last sprint, where you can set up your own sub homepage and add in your featured segments. Now, since then, to the last sprint, we've worked on a few changes. So the first change is that we've improved the layout. So when you go to edit or add a new segment, everything is now focused on this pop-up. So this is just to give you a bit more of a focus around the segment you're editing, and should make editing elements of the segment a bit easier. The second change we've made is we introduced a new feature, which is a segment just for tiles. So if I were to create a new segment now and then click edit, I can set up a tile example. So this naming is purely just for naming for reference. It won't appear on the page itself. So I can add 3 tiles, including an image, text, and a button going to anywhere that I would like. So I'm just going to set up these tiles so you can see what they look like. So I've just added in some images, a small bit of text, and some links. So I'm just going to save that. Great, and then I'm going to go back to the page and refresh. So here you can see how the tiles sort of look with the buttons, and that's in a segment. So what if I wanted to add some more tiles? So I'm going to add another segment below to show you some more options that you have to do with spacing. Okay, so I've just reused the same images, but I'm just going to save this tile. So then you can see on the page, we've got another section of tiles appearing here. Now, say for example, you had a group of sort of people or team page, and you wanted to show a range of tiles all together, so it looks like one section. So instead of 2 sections of 3, you want it to make it look more like one section of 6 or 9 or 12. And this could be for sort of like a team page or like a resource page with a range of links. So if we want to do that, we want to make these tiles look closer together so they seem part of the same section. So if you were to go back onto your edit page and we click on the edit of both of these, we're going to click on other options, and we're going to keep the top padding because that separates it from the section above, but we're going to remove the bottom section and padding, and then we're going to click on the second section and we're going to remove the top padding, but we're going to keep the bottom padding. So we're going to save. So what we're seeing now is when I refresh the page, this bottom section of 3 should now appear close to the top section of 3. There we go. So now they look like they're part of the same section. So you can create you can have separate sections, or you can have tile sections together and remove the padding to make them look like they're part of the same section visually. So that's the new tile segment that you can add to your sub home pages.